So how is the lecture structured? The lecture will be the first lesson that you do on a day usually. It's the first hour or two, depending on the course and on the module. And during the lecture, you will mainly listen to the lecturer, who is a professor, an academic professor, who is going to talk about a topic that you have read about in the week before the actual lecture. So you will be able to understand what are the main vocabulary, what are the words that you already know and the one you still need to research and understand. And also you will be able to prepare some questions. During the lecture, the professor is going to talk in general about theory. Usually he will try to ask some question to the students and to make it a bit more interactive. He will explain the theories, models and literature around a certain topic, and you will mainly take notes. You can take notes on a computer, on paper, depending on what you're used to. I have seen a different variety, but I think most of the people take the notes on the computer so they can use them then for the assignments. You will probably get the slides of the presentation the day before or on the day, so I strongly advise you to download them through Moodle and create a Google Drive folder where you will put all the materials for that week. So the reading, the lecture slides, the lecture notes, and then the seminar, which we're going to talk about in the next video.